Introducing Durable, the first AI business builder. Durable can build anyone an entire business with just one prompt. Let me show you how powerful Durable is. Hey Durable, can you build me a car detailing business? Our AI gets to work. It knows you need a services page, a booking form, and phenomenal imagery for the highest conversion rate. In 30 seconds, you'll get a beautifully designed website, optimized for SEO, and full branding, ready to launch. Next we ask, how do I hit 10K in 30 days? Make no mistakes. Right now, our AI is building a revenue plan using your competitive analysis. Here, it flags a critical issue. Your highest earning competitors specialize in luxury German cars, but your website shows American vehicles. Durable fixes this. It triggers the AI Studio to update your site imagery. Now, your site converts 200% better. But launching your business is just the start. While you sleep, Durable brings you paying customers. At 2 in the morning, our AI notices that your competitors are showing up when your customers search car detailing near me on ChatGPT, and you're not. That means you're losing sales. To fix this, Durable adds crawler code so that AI can easily read your website. 1 week later, Durable rechecks and finds that you're now ranked number 1. The traditional 9-to-5 job is being eliminated by AI agents. Other companies are using AI to replace you. We are using AI to make you the business owner. The right person could operate their new business and earn 6 or 7 figures per year.